Hi there, in this video we'll be taking a look at this cordless fan from PARKSIDE. And you might be wondering what I'm going to do with this. Well, I do work from time to time, even in hotter days, on my bicycle, on my car, and I do feel the need to have something to cool me down when I'm on the terrace, for example, or outside in the yard. Even if I try to do stuff in the morning or in the evening, sometimes it's still too hot. I wanted to buy one from Unbox, really freaking expensive, and then I saw this, and now I do have adapters to use my Unbox batteries with PARKSIDE tools. So yeah, why not just get a PARKSIDE? So that's perfect. It's bare unit without echo, anything. This is its model number, and if you want to see how you can use this thingy, so it has multiple use scenarios, even hanging down from somewhere. It can rotate freely to give you a better adjustment. Do we have any sort of English? No, not this time. Well, yeah, I guess it is what it is. Tilt angle maximum 180, airspeed maximum 3.8 meter per second, and on speed 1, 18 hour with a 4 amp battery. I even have 8 amp batteries from Unbox, so I can double that. On speed number 2, 8 hours, and yeah, actually those are its 2 levels. I don't know why I thought it has more. It has 2 speed levels. So with 4 amp, 18 hours and 8 amp hours. Without further ado, let's open the box, and I'll get back to you because this barely fits in here. It's bigger than you think. That's what she said. Anyway, and that's a good thing because I didn't want a puny fan. I already have a few of these things. Yeah, you can see size comparison. Link in the video description. They are freaking awesome, but they are still small. You can direct them from a distance on yourself, from a table, from your desk and stuff like that, but when you are working and you are moving a bit, you need something beefier, obviously. And yeah, this has one 18650 cell, so 2000 milliamp hour at 3.7 volts. This has whatever you plug the battery into it. For me it will be 8 amps at 11 volts. Yes, Unbox has 11 volts, PARKSIDE says 20 volts. It's exactly the same thing. One Unbox rates it at nominal voltage, PARKSIDE rates it at maximum voltage as far as I know. So here we have the 2 speeds. No digital stuff, just simple mechanical switch. A bit more info right here about it. PARKSIDE, obviously. The hanger right here kind of locks in place in position when you rotate it behind a certain point, beyond a certain point, and that's all she wrote. You can even I don't know, if you want on your wall or on your ceiling, you can drill holes and mount it permanently somewhere, which is actually quite nice. But yeah, this is a bit too big for my work area, so I'm going to set it aside and quickly look at the manual in case we have... No, we do not have English, so I'm going to just translate some stuff from Romanian because it's a freaking fan, not much. So, oh, it's showing stuff from the battery. Yeah, it's showing also how to mount it on the wall if you need to. But for me, for battery it doesn't matter too much because again I don't have PARKSIDE batteries and I never will. I'm using Unbox with adapters and that's good enough for me. Where did I see English? So from here, if you are Romanian, English, Jesus, Romanian. We don't have English in this manual. If you are Romanian, feel free to read, but I'm going to tell you just a few things I will translate. So speed number 1, 1350 revolutions. speed 2 max, basically 1900. With and my battery is almost drained. With a 2 amp hour it will go for 9 hours on speed 1 and 4 hours on speed 2, and 36 and 16 with 8 amp hour accu that I will be using. This is a bit of info for the accu itself and for charger, don't really care. Rotor size 180 millimeter and total diameter about 230 millimeter. Sound pressure, and yeah, I think honestly the rest of it doesn't matter. Just warnings: don't do this, don't do that, don't short it, don't whatever, on off what the switch does, and LEDs for the accu itself. But again, we don't have the PARKSIDE accu, so we do not really care about that. And that's about it. Let's plug a battery in. And voila, this is one type of adapter that I have. I will link a video in the description that shows both types. 4 amp hour battery in here, and simply slide it in here, locks in place, and contact. Ooh, man, this is actually quite powerful. Yeah, this is the max that it rotates in here because of the battery, but if you want more you can do it from the other side. Probably it will make noise if I blow directly into the phone while recording. So whoa, this thing is gonna get used on the terrace when I want to stay out and it's too hot. This is much more powerful than I expected, honestly. How can I show you? I think like this. Can you make an idea of how strong this is? It's basically, look at this. It's a booklet. It's a booklet, and it's lifting it. Compared to a normal fan, these are also decently powerful, don't get me wrong. I like them. You will see the video, I really like them. Maximum speed, yeah. So and these do cool you down. So this cools, if you put it at a big distance enough, cools everybody down that are around you and in its cone. Okay, nice PARKSIDE. So basically I'm going to start use it and get back to you. Working on this bicycle, it's extremely hot on the terrace, so this will cool me down. Also just noticed it has a handle, which is really nice. It's working absolutely perfectly, even on speed number 1. I don't even need speed number 2. It's working for a few hours on speed number 1. As you can see, barely any light outside. The bulbs are already on, and without it I couldn't have worked in this heat wave, so absolutely perfect. And after many hours it finally drained the 2.5 amp battery. Yeah, that's about it for this video. This thing is awesome, so it helped me a lot. I couldn't have worked any other way. It was way too hot outside. So yeah, and mosquitoes all around me, so I'm going to end this video here. Annoying mosquitoes. And yeah, if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments, and as always, see you in the next one. Bye.